Number 3, place on number line, estimate for irrational numbers. An irrational number is a never-ending decimal, and that would be something like the square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 6. Notice I left out right here the square root of 4. The square root of 4 actually equals 2. Because 2 times 2 is 4. So this symbol is the inverse of to the power of 2. So like 3 to the second power. That equals 9. So the square root of 9 equals 3. Okay, those are like reverse of each other. All right, and another one would be 4 to the second power equals 16. So the square root of 16 equals 4. I probably jumped a little step here. 3 to the second power, that means 3 times 3. 4 to the second power means 4 times 4. 5 to the second power means 5 times 5, and equals 25. So the square root of 25 equals 5. However, I would challenge you to think, what is negative 5 to the second power? Well, let's see. That's negative 5 times negative 5. If you did number 2, if you did the last problem, number 2, well, this looks a lot like that. It's where we have 2 negatives, so that'll be negative, negative. 5 times 5 is 25. Well, 2 negatives, that's the opposite of the opposite of 25. Well, that's positive 25. So those both equal 25. So the square root of 25 here is 5 and negative 5. So these are all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers we need to put onto this number line. So let's see. If we're going from negative 5 to 4, we'll just put 0 somewhere here in the middle. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So let's see. We got to put 2. I'll get another color so we're a little more clear. How about some light green? 2 is right here. Negative 3 is right here. 4 is right here. The positive square root of 25 is right here. And the negative square root of 25 is right here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. We put them in order on this number line. Estimate for irrational numbers. We didn't have any irrational numbers. This is the number 5. 5 is a rational number because you could write it as a fraction. Rational means you can write it as a fraction. Irrational means you can't write this as a fraction. If you type this on your calculator, it's a never-ending, never repeating decimal. Another example would be pi. Pi is a never-ending, never repeating decimal. It's 3.141592654, blah, 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 never ending. So these, in this one, we didn't have any irrational numbers. So we didn't have to estimate. We could put them exactly where they go on those little marks. So we got it. All 4 numbers, and this one actually was 2 numbers. So we've got 5 things plotted on our number line.